Oh, and I'm feeling directionless, yes, but that's to be expected. And I know that best. And in creeps the morning, and another day's lost. You've just written wondering, and I reply fast. All you need to save me. All you need to save me. Call, and I'll be curled on the floor, hiding out from it all. And I won't take any other call. I feel like a fool, so I'm going to stop troubling you. Buried in my yard, a letter to send to you. And if I forget, or God forbid die too soon, hope that you'll hear me. Know that